Now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
Goodness, if you haven't stepped outside yet today, it is hot and humid.
Yeah, at the 11 o'clock hour, we're
no
talking
kidding.
about it.
Wait until 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's going to be even worse.
But the thing is, it can be a lot worse than what we're expecting for today. As we're going to take a look at a few of the stats for our 4th of July. Now, take a look at the temperatures. On the left there, 1911. That was the record high for our 4th of July, 107 degrees. Next to that, the 92. That is our average high for this time of the year at 92. Not terribly bad. 2.6 inches of rain. That was the record set on July 4th back in 2007. We averaged about 15/100ths of an inch on July 4th. Typically over the last 112 years or so. Today, that's what we're expecting, 100 degrees today, and unfortunately the chance of rain, very small. But if you're going to be shooting some of those firecrackers off, you're going to be out there watching some of the events this evening. We don't want any rainfall, so we do have rain in the forecast. It looks like we'll stay dry, though, for today. Some good news there. Outside in the city of Tulsa right now, we're seeing sunshine, 90 degrees here in the city. You notice the humidity level at 47%, so we have a high dew point, which means it's very, very muggy out there. Winds are out of the south and southwest at 12 miles per hour, and our pressure, it is currently on the way down. As we take a look at Viper 2 HD, pretty quiet across the southern parts of the country, from Oklahoma and Texas all the way over to Atlanta and Nashville and Memphis. You notice from New Orleans, though, right along the coast over towards Tallahassee, Florida, a few showers and storms. Other than that, pretty quiet across our area. Now, temperatures have already warmed into the low 90s in many locations of the region, already at 90 degrees in Joplin, 92 at Ponca City and Wichita, 91 at Woodward, northwest Oklahoma. Down in Childress, Texas, northwestern Texas, already at 90 degrees. And take a look at temperatures off to our east. Some locations even warmer. Take a look at Little Rock right now, 95 degrees. We haven't even hit noontime yet, and temperatures already in the mid-90s. A little closer in, we're at 93 in Pryor, 93 in Grove for 2 of the warmer readings, 91 in Stillwater, 91 as well in Bristow, 92 in Okmulgee, and a pair of 90s in McAllister, also in Poto. Then you factor in that humidity on top of the actual temperature. This is what you have to prepare for on your way out the door. Feels like mid to upper 90s. Take a look at Norman. Already feels like 100 degrees. That's the heat index right now down in Cleveland County. 96 is what it feels like in Pryor. 98 right now, the current heat index in Grove. So it is hot, and even if you're near some of the area lakes for today, it's very, very hot out there. It's going to be very humid. So drink plenty of liquids. Stay hydrated. Try to find some shade or some air conditioning if you can. South winds currently at 10 to 15 miles per hour. We have seen some gusts even near 20 and a little bit above 20 miles per hour. So it is breezy out there as well, and that's helping a little bit to try to stir that air up. Doesn't feel quite that stagnant out there, but still hot and humid area-wide. And as we move on through the day, that's what I expect is more of the same. Lots of sunshine, south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, highs near 100 degrees, and heat index values running at about 105. Then this evening, as we go to see some of those great fireworks around the area, we're not going to see much in the way of any weather problems. We're going to see clear skies. We'll see enough of a south breeze, though, through the evening, maybe about 10, occasionally up to 15 miles per hour. Right here in eastern Oklahoma, upper 90s for our eastern sections of the state, 100 or warmer from Coffeyville, Bartlesville, and Tulsa. Points to the west and to the south. You notice Fort Smith, 102 this afternoon. Right here in the city of Tulsa, 100 again, and we'll see those southerly winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. They will die off a little bit through the evening hours, and looks like that triple-digit heat will stay with us right on into the weekend. Saturday, 101. Then we'll see a bit of a pattern change as we'll see a few more clouds move in on Sunday, especially Monday and Tuesday, and those afternoon highs coming down a little bit as well, back into the low to mid-90s. So bear with it. We got more heat on the way for 3 or 4 more days, but then some changes on the way for next week.
Looking forward to a little bit cooler temperatures.
Yes, I am too.
At least in the 90s.
Yes.
Thanks.